Hello guys, and in today's video I will show you how to take photos with your Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 as a remote controller. Let's get started, but don't forget to follow to see more useful content. So, as a first step, we need to add complication, which works as remote controller for taking photos. To do that, we would need to hold on your screen and click on this button Customize. After this, swipe 2 times left until you will get to tab Complication. Right here, choose the place that you wanna pick as remote controller. Then, scroll through the list and find complication named Camera Controller. Click on it and click this Home button. After this, click on this complication which you just added and open Camera on your phone, or just simply click on your watch on the button Reopen and wait until the preview loads. After the preview loaded, right here you can see 2 icons. On the top part you can see timer icon. Now I don't have any timer, so when I click on this white photo button, the photo will be taken immediately. But if you would need some time to make a photo, you can simply click on this timer once and you will have 3 seconds timer on your remote controller for camera. So let's try it. For example, I want to take a photo of my headphones. I'm taking my phone and pointing the camera on the headphones and clicking this white button on my watches. And in 3 seconds the photo will be taken. And now I don't wanna wait 3 seconds until the photo is taken. So I click on this timer icon right here and also click on this photo button. And that's all. You can also check the photos that you just did. That was all for today. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you so much for watching.